Hello people, my name is Coach Fun, and today we are going to have fun on bikes. He didn't wait for me to finish. He could have at least waited for me to finish. Oh well. Yeah. How? Oh jeez. Well, now I know. Yeah, now I know.
That's horrifying. I look up, oh,
Tis diddly do, find a glove a do.
okay, there's no needles in it. Wonderful.
Glove. No. Like, hang on, I'm not gonna take it, just pat it. The amount of dust that comes off.
I'm gonna brush your helmet with it.
No!
Get that Ebola encrusted stuff off. I need to go bleach.
Yeah.
Alright, do two.
Do two?
Two. Oh, barely.
Oh. There we go, that's better. I was like, come on man, I can do two. I don't know why I did. Alright, do two.
Two of these?
Ah, I almost did it! Yeah! Yeah.
That was very wrong. So I realized when I do really nice wheelies, my tires my arms like this
Yeah, I know.
for balance.
Wait, dude, you got this.
That's great.
Can easily hit 4 right here. Not if I do that though.
Nice. Oh, I'm in a funny hop of a newspaper.
That was awesome.
Breaking news! Man has bunny hop newspaper!
Okay, I'm like really upset about that though.
Why? I just hopped a newspaper.
No, I mean what I did. I was going to the 4th one. I felt that I could keep going. Chose not to drop it and lost it. Because I had 2 decisions. I hit the 4th one. I decided to keep going and I messed up. Awesome.
This is like free diagonal.
Alright, I'm gonna retry this. I want to redeem myself. Oh, I didn't even get one.
I'm gonna tire tap that one. I'm definitely tire tap.
Okay.
I almost feel like I could bunny hop onto it.
I mean, nah.
Yeah.
You did not tire tap.
Couldn't get off, yeah. I was like, if you could turn, that would be great. Alright, I'm gonna tire tap every single one of these.
Okay, well, I'm gonna go down the stairs. Tell me how that goes.
I wanna speed run down here.
Down the stairs?
This is a really bad idea. Okay, that's my tackle.
Oh god. I won!
I won. I won.
I will give you that. You won. Alright, I'm gonna go up. Alright, so basically, guys, screwing around at the local, and I hit my pedal. I screwed up on the 3rd stair! So we're basically just riding around at a local hockey rink that I used to go to all the time, but don't know more. Bike around instead. Didn't have time for hockey. Why don't you let me know if you're a hockey fan? Give me a heads up. Oh, you're gonna bunny hop off or wheelie off or something.
Oh god.
Nice. Already failed.
Failing still, though.
Oh, I'd like to point out, before you guys like get on that, it says no skateboarding or inline skating. Nothing about biking. We're fine.
This is like way easier than the park one. It's so wide all the way through.
Yes.
Alright, up the stairs.
Yeah. This time, hopefully, I don't screw up.
I bet I can make it, but I don't know about you.
I hit my pedal again. And
You have a very bad.
oh, what the? Whoa. Okay. Hang on.
Alright.
That was interesting. I hit the snow and my tire just went. Because I was trying to see if I could get this diagonal and my tire just slipped.
Come on, Brandon, you got this. No, I'm going up. I'm
Huh?
gonna sit on top of this, fine.
Oh, that was so concerning. There we go. I can make it up. I just screwed up.
Wanna go on top?
What?
Wanna go on top?
No.
No?
That's not allowed.
Oh, really? Wait, I never tire tapped all of them.
Oh, yeah.
I need you there for moral support.
Yeah. This way or that way?
Yeah, this way, it's downhill.
Yeah.
This is not a bend for a Chill!
Why do I feel like Zamboni's horns would be like super menacing? All you hear is "Brrr!" Did you get two? I did not see. Gold. Did you get two? Okay. That was interesting.
Sounds to me.
4.
What?
This is going to be interesting.
Kind of,
Hey, don't judge it before you start going all raving on it. It's a comfy bench.
Oh, I know. Actually, it looks like something. It looks like a really weird one to tire tap.
6. You have 3 more.
8.
Oh, you're right.
Wait, why did I say 8?
I don't know. You have 4 more.
That makes
10.
10.
I mean, I'll count it.
There's no way I'm doing that one right.
This will be fun. Okay. You're at 9 for the grand finale.
No, grand finale is that, and then going up the stairs.
No!
Still have one foot on the pedal. Does that count?
No.
Dang it. So I'm gonna have to restart.
Yes.
Okay, let's go restart.
This is why I can't bike. Oh, come on! Seriously? How? You know what? No. All there's 11.
God dang it!
There's one more right here. All 11 benches. So stay tuned for that, guys.
He's out here, but since we're in Colorado, we're just like.
So if you guys like the video, please like, hit it with that, you know, wheelie over the like button actually, just like that. And well, the second video should be up on his channel, so go check that out as soon as it's up. See you guys in the next one.